Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can insert a vector graphics or vector art into your websites you create on Wix in 2026. So let us dive into this. So in 2026, it works the following way, guys. In the first step, you will need to access your website on Wix through the Wix website editor, navigate to the page in the top left corner of your website. I will go with this one here because there's quite a lot of space here to add some items and elements for demonstration purposes. So I added, for example, this vector art here. Let me show how we can do it. There are two ways, guys. The first option would be to upload or insert the vector art in SVG format, for example, if you created it yourself on your device. But there's also the option to navigate to the Wix vector art library. You can do that as well by clicking into this plus add element button in the top left. Navigate to decorative here, and here under vector art select the type you would like to go with, like featured or animals, natures, characters, icons. I will go with icons and add let's go with with a hamburger vector art like this. Now what you want to do, guys, is after that is resize or position the vector art, of course, and what you want to do is position it here on your page. You may rotate it, for example, access its settings here, change the fill colors and the design by clicking into this button, make it transparent by moving that slider, choose different colors because vector graphics can be customized. You may also add shadow effects and customize and edit these vector graphics as images, for example, you add to your website, and various effects and animations by clicking into this button, insert a hyperlink. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.